Welcome to IGT and Tech College. You will learn computer basic skills, computer programming language, website development, website designing, mobile repairing, software and hardware. Let's go. Hello, I'm Seth. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to unlock Infinix Smart 8 to hard reset and to bypass FRP. If it's your first time to reach here, make sure you click on subscribe button and notification bell. You will be notified when new video uploaded. As you see here, we have forgot password. So first let us switch off the phone. Switch off mobile phone. Then look careful. We're gonna press the power button at 1 second. After then we press also volume down. You see? Don't think it's easy to format this type of phone if you don't know this method. Then scroll down to factory reset, ls data factory reset, erasing. Remember, first time you will press on volume down at least 1 second. After 1 second, then press also volume down. So complete. They are showing that it's complete, then power button to restart. Note that this method is just for education purposes. Don't try to use it on stolen device. If you try it, it's your own, not ours. Make sure you keep the law of your local. Okay? So let us continue. As you see, the phone is rebooting. So we have to wait. After, we need to bypass FRP, factory reset protection. If you're able to format phone but you don't know how to bypass FRP, you are just a starter. As you see here, we have that symbol is for FRP. So we're gonna skip FRP in Infinix Smart 8. Remember, this phone is secure, so watch video careful. Here we're gonna connect Wi-Fi. You can, if you don't have Wi-Fi, don't worry, just connect hotspot from other phone. For now, for me, I'm scanning the Wi-Fi. I have already Wi-Fi, so I'm sharing from this phone. That's Wi-Fi. So after connecting it to Wi-Fi or hotspot, then continue next step. Only thing we need to access ADB. We need to access browser. Click here, share. Continue to turn on. Need help? This will be easy way to access browser. 3 dot, share article, share to Phoenix. See? Phoenix, current start. Yeah, wow, we have accessed any browser. This is Phoenix browser. So write this word, VNLOOM bypass. Search. As you see here, click here. Then scroll down to screen smart lock. We're gonna try to add screen smart lock. If it will work, I don't know. Okay, let us add some name, Seth, like this, Seth, again, then, oh, it's not working. Okay, you see, even we add password is not working, meaning that this phone is more secure. That is why you're gonna need to use ADB method. ADB method. Let us go back there. Share article. Phoenix. ADB. If you need this service, we can even help you online if you have computer. So as you see here, click here, then star H85 H, yes, that is ADB mode. We have already accessed debugging mode, so we gonna use computer. If you don't have computer, you will continue try with the same method that we showed you in the past videos, then you will be successful. But for now, turn off Wi-Fi, then let us use computer. We can even help you remotely to remove FRP protection, factory reset protection. Don't worry. So this is USB. Connect USB. So after connecting, we need to do two things. First, allow debug mode. We have already allowed. Then come here to folders on this software. If you want this software, just contact us. Check the link under video description, even WhatsApp number. As you see here, we have ADB and fast mode. So click in here on lead ADB. That's fast. First step is that option, that folder. Then we go to second step. That is first. Okay? Yes, okay. Then second step, come here to listen. No, not here, not here. Scroll up, not here. Yeah, forgot face. Yes, here. Click here again. Wow, unlocked. That's how. Just wait for phone will rebooting itself. Don't touch any button. Just it will do it. Just wait. Rebooting device. Okay. Don't touch any button. Wait. Wait. Wow. Infinix. You see? Okay. Wait. Wait. This is powerful software. It will help you to unlock any device with MTK chip. Any type, even SPD is working for now. You see how? That is how. So if you want this software, feel free to contact us. If this video is helpful, make sure you click on subscribe and like and comment and share to your friend, relative in different locations. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next video. Thank you.